Transform your passion into profit. Find out how Selar can revolutionize your income with easy affiliate marketing. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Stick around until the end for not just an in-depth guide on becoming a successful Selar affiliate, but also for key strategies that will elevate your affiliate marketing game to new heights. Get ready for insights that go beyond the basics. Selar is emerging as a key player in the e-commerce world, especially in Africa. It's a platform that connects creators with customers, focusing on digital products. For those interested in affiliate marketing, Selar offers a unique opportunity. Affiliate marketing through Selar allows you to earn passive income. By promoting products and earning a commission on sales, you can develop a steady revenue stream. We'll explore how to embark on this journey with Selar. Starting as a Selar affiliate begins with account creation. Head to Selar's website and sign up. Provide your personal information, agree to their terms, and you're on your way. Finding products to promote on Selar is your next step. The platform features a variety of digital products from ebooks to online courses. Choose items that align with your interests or those of your audience for more effective promotions. To promote a product, you'll need your unique affiliate link. On Selar, simply select a product and hit Become an Affiliate to get this link. This link is crucial as it tracks your referrals and earnings. Promoting your affiliate link effectively is where the real work starts. Utilize your website, social media, or email newsletters. Your promotional strategy should be consistent with both the product and your audience's interests. A common newbie mistake in affiliate marketing is overextending by promoting too many products. Instead, focus on a few quality products that you genuinely endorse. This approach lends authenticity to your promotions. Copywriting skills can significantly elevate your affiliate marketing success. Crafting compelling product descriptions or reviews can persuade your audience of a product's worth, nudging them towards a purchase. Regularly check your affiliate dashboard on Selar. It provides valuable insights into the performance of your links, helping you refine your strategies for better results. Patience is vital in affiliate marketing. It's a long-term game. Stay committed, patient, and keep tweaking your approach based on performance feedback. Stay abreast of trends in your niche and on Selar. Being informed about popular products can help you choose the right items to promote. Building a rapport with your audience is critical. Engage with them, respond to comments, and cater to their interests. Trust leads to more clicks on your affiliate links. Try different promotional tactics. SEO, content marketing, and paid ads are all viable strategies. Experiment to see which works best for your audience and products. Remember, affiliate marketing isn't just about selling, it's about adding value to your audience. Choose products that genuinely benefit them. Feeling engaged with our content? Seal the connection. Click subscribe, show your engagement with a like, and ring the bell for a continuous stream of engaging material. Ready to keep the engagement going? Let's jump back in. Utilize Selar's features to your advantage. The platform offers helpful tools like advanced tracking and high commission rates, all designed to support affiliates. Consistency in promoting your affiliate links and creating fresh content keeps your audience engaged and boosts your chances of making sales. Collaborate and learn from other affiliates. Joining communities and sharing experiences can open up new strategies and help avoid common mistakes. Invest time in honing your affiliate marketing skills. Webinars, blogs, and courses can provide valuable insights and techniques. Be transparent about your affiliate promotions. Disclosing your affiliate relationships builds trust with your audience. Maintain a positive attitude. Challenges are inevitable, but with determination and a willingness to learn, they can be overcome. Selar's platform is ideal for those new to affiliate marketing. Its user-friendly interface and diverse product range make it a great starting point. Diversifying your product promotions can enhance your earning potential. Try promoting different types of products to appeal to a wider audience. Remember to track and analyze your results. Use Selar's analytics to monitor your progress and adapt your strategies accordingly. Effective marketing on Selar involves understanding your audience. Tailor your promotions to match their preferences and interests. Stay updated with Selar's features and updates. This can help you maximize your earning potential and stay ahead of the curve. Engaging content is key to successful affiliate marketing. Create posts or videos that not only promote products, but also entertain or educate your audience. Finally, remember that affiliate marketing with Selar is a journey. It requires patience, learning, and adaptability. With the right approach, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business on this dynamic platform. Embark on an extraordinary digital adventure. Your journey begins with a free ebook revealing the latest and most potent online business strategies of our time. But this is only the beginning. A specialized 15-day challenge is your next step towards greatness, offering a hands-on experience to apply these strategies in the real world, all under the guidance of seasoned e-commerce experts. This is your chance to engage with innovative tactics and an extensive toolkit that will set you apart in the online arena. Ready to make your mark? Step up with confidence! Click the link in the description and start your transformative journey to become a powerhouse in digital business. Dimming the studio lights on today's e-earning photo shoot. Captured the method? Picture perfect profits or needing a retake? Frame your experiences in the comments. Did today's financial snapshot develop into something special for you? Click like to flash your approval. Want to focus more on lucrative picture making? Subscribe and click the bell, ensuring you're always in frame for the latest techniques. Before you pack up your camera, see that video in the gallery? It's an exhibit of another artistic income approach. Zoom in and let's keep capturing the essence of digital wealth together. Until our next photo adventure.